Planning a business trip to Cameroon? Here's a quick guide to the Cameroon Business Visa. This visa allows you to enter Cameroon for business activities like meetings or trade events. It does not permit employment. You can apply for a transit visa for short stopovers, a short stay visa for visits up to 180 days, or a long stay visa valid for 3 to 12 months. You'll need a passport valid for 6 months, 2 passport-size photos, an invitation letter from a Cameroon company, proof of accommodation, your return ticket, and evidence of sufficient funds. To apply, fill out the online form, upload your documents, and pay the visa fee using your preferred method. Processing times vary. Standard applications take around 9 to 11 working days, Rush takes about 7 to 9 days, and Super Rush takes 5 to 7 days. Once approved, your Cameroon Business Visa arrives by email. Apply online, prepare your documents, and begin your business journey with confidence.